Hi, this is Mitch Stephen, and I'd like to give you a short solo cast on hard money. And using hard money is something we've all done before. It's exactly what it says it is, a hard money. I say exactly. Let's just go through the definition. Hard money is usually short-term and expensive as things go. What's really expensive is not being able to find the money so that you can consummate your terrific deal that has the potential to make a lot of money. So while hard money is expensive, there's a saying in the business, it's not the cost of the money, it's the availability. Now that is only withstanding that you have a terrific deal that can outrun the expense of the hard money. So when you use hard money, you want to make sure that you're not wasting any time, because time really is money. The rate's clicking all the time. Your expenses are going up every second. So you want to have a good plan. You want to move fast. Typically for flips or wholesales. People don't usually use hard money for wholesales, but when you can take a deal down, meaning you can actually consummate the deal, buy it from your seller, get it in your possession, and slow down, calm down, and take your time, you're probably going to make a lot bigger wholesale fee than if you're in a hurry, fighting a deadline, and having to deal with only known, proven buyers. When you actually take the deal down with hard money, you can sit back and find the right buyer. The problem with hard money in doing wholesaling is that they usually have a minimum fee, and that minimum fee could kill your wholesale profit. Just depends on the hard money lender. Most of the time we're using hard money to buy something, fix it up, and retail it for a large profit, 20, 25, 30,000. I don't like to do retail deals that involve rehabs when there are thin margins, because a lot of things can go wrong and there can be a lot of unexpected expenses during the rehab process. It can also take longer to sell than you thought. You can also maybe not be able to sell it for as much as you thought. There's a lot of reasons why you have to have big margins when you're dealing in the buy it, fix it, and retail it strategy. Hard money is a stepping stone. Use hard money until you can find private lenders. Private lenders are more of a soft money and less expensive. The great thing about private lenders is that you dictate the terms. Like I'm right now out advertising for private lenders, 15 years fully amortized at 10% or 9% or 8%. Depends on how aggressive my potential lender is and how much 10% money I already have. If I have a lot of 10% money, then I start going out, and the next time I meet a potential soft money lender or private lender, I'll start asking for 8% instead of 10% because I've got plenty of 10% private lenders. So when you're doing your buy it, rehab it, retail it, it doesn't really matter the cost of the money as long as you get it done in a reasonable length of time, whether that's 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, maybe even 180 days. It depends on how big a margin you have, but you can get these things done fast enough that the turnaround time doesn't kill you in that high interest rate that the hard money lender is charging you. All right, and then last but not least, shop around. Shop around and be early. Shop around early. Land on your hard money lender. Land on them early. Get your applications in. Get everything you need to them in advance, even while you're looking for deals or before you find a deal. Because a lot of times, these deals that you find, the reason you're getting them at such discounted rates is because there's a lot of pressure on this deal. It has to close by the foreclosure date, which is only a week or so away. It has to close for some other reason because your seller has needs and the clock is ticking. So you don't want to wait till you find a deal to go out and get set up with your hard money lender. You want to find your hard money lender. You want to learn the rules and the fees and everything that they require. you want to get this relationship with your hard money lender well in advance so that when you find a deal, you're already positioned. Your hard money lender already knows you, already approved you. All they have to do now is approve the deal, approve the collateral. Go out and they may require you to get an appraisal and give you some and get a rehab budget from you or some things. So figure out what they want, get there early, and use hard money as a stepping stone. You do some hard money deals and you don't go spend the money that you make. You know, you might spend a little bit of it to pay your bills or whatever, but hopefully you can bank most of the money you make on your first several hard money loan deals so that you can get into a position to start finding private lenders or to fund deals yourself, or even add some of your money to the to what you want to borrow so that you don't have to borrow as much, because again, hard money is expensive. So check it out. Using hard money can be a great asset. Remember, it's not always the cost of the money, it's the availability. And a great deal won't even flinch at hard money in a higher interest rate or a short term, but you have to find the right deal for it. All right, this is Mitch Stephen talking to you about hard money. I want you to go to 1000houses.com, check out all the free stuff I have there. Check out my books. I have 3 books, all under the 1000 Houses, My Life in 1000 Houses series. First book was My Life in 1000 Houses, Failing Forward to Financial Freedom. You can see all these books on Amazon, or you can go right to my website, 1000houses.com, and buy them there. Usually when they come from my website, they're all autographed. The second book I wrote was My Life in 1000 Houses, 200 plus ways to find bargain properties. Oh, got it upside down. There you go. It starts out with very economical ways to find houses. They're for people that are starting out with little to no money. And as the book progresses, so does the cost of the strategy to find the houses. And then when you get to the end, there's ways to set up, you know, with a budget, $1,500, $2,000 a month, where you have other people finding you houses and you're just going on the appointments to get the contracts signed or to negotiate the contract. You know, that's where you need to be. Then last but not least, I did My Life in 1000 Houses, The Art of Owner Financing. And this is the art of buying houses with OPM or other people's money, and then selling your house on a 30-year fixed wraparound mortgage, where all you are responsible for is to collect the payment. It's not your air conditioner. It's not your roof. It's not your hot water heater. So that's the unique proposition that I offered. I don't know a lot of people buying houses with OPM with permission to wrap their note and sell with owner financing. So check it out, 1000houses.com, and be sure to click on that free stuff tab. I have a ton of free stuff there. I've been accused of giving away too much, but it's all okay. To those who give, much comes. So that's my philosophy. Y'all have a great day. Have a great week. Have a great month. Hope you're working on a great year. This is Mitch Stephen, and we're out of here.